It is showtime. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the 2021 Ed100 Academy for Student Leaders. We have an exciting, thought-provoking, and productive couple of days ahead of us. Above all, the sessions of this conference are meant to be useful to you as student leaders. Student voices can be really powerful, especially when you are well-informed and well-connected. This conference provides us with a great launchpad to make that happen in the school year ahead.
A part of growing up is discovering your identity and learning more about who you are. My identity as an Asian American is super important to me. And lucky for me, I found a lot of really intelligent people in Fresh Off the Boat who have really important things to say. People often underestimate how much young people can bring to the table, especially when we work together. So I hope the Ed100 Academy can help you find issues and causes that you can be involved in that are important to you.
What makes public school public? And how are schools funded? How do schools spend the money that they get? Why do they choose to spend it that way? And are they doing a good job?
In a world where technology makes us far more productive, it is a world that rewards certain skills and mindsets. The people that are going to do really well are the people who are bold, creative problem solvers, most audacious of young adults. Those are the things that get valued. Did I see that in schools? No.
Schools, as much as they are critical to providing the academic skills, they're also where we develop those rich connections between each other and really nurture our mental and social emotional well-being. Deep structural inequities continue to deprive all too many students of those very opportunities. And we have been tackling those and will continue to tackle them. So while California's recovery is underway and schools are going to be back full-time, no one can be satisfied with simply going back to the way things were.
As we can see in the graph, there are racial and socioeconomic disparities in A through G course completion. In particular, when we're looking at the numbers, we can see that Black, Native, Latinx, and Pacific Islander students have lower rates of completion. What this ends up meaning is that less than half of these students, along with less than half of low-income students, are not even eligible to apply for public colleges and universities.
Every teacher knows that in a classroom of 30 kids, those 30 students have different needs. What's interesting about the world we now live in, where you have technology, you have tools, we don't have to have a compromise anymore. When you're a teenager, college, early stages of your career, you feel so anxious about making your life matter. If you just keep putting yourself out there, keep putting yourself out of your comfort zone, be very open with people, ask them questions, be very curious, and always just do the next right thing, then things will work out.